L&I stands for the Washington State Department of Labor and Industries. L&I is the state workers' compensation system that pays out benefits under your workers' compensation claim. They pay for cash benefits as well as medical treatment. Although it acts like it, L&I is not an insurance company. It's not your employer, and it's not a private entity. Why does L&I matter? In Washington, if you've been injured at work, L&I makes both the decisions on your claim and pays out the cash settlement. Even if your injury occurs on the Idaho border, your L&I claim is going to be managed in the same place as if it occurred in Seattle. That's out of the L&I headquarters in Olympia and Tumwater, Washington. L&I is a statewide system with the same case managers, judges, and decision makers, and the same pool of money that affects everyone throughout the state. So it doesn't matter where your injury occurs, as long as it's in the state of Washington, and even sometimes outside of Washington, your claim's going to be managed by L&I and Olympia. Not all L&I claims are managed by L&I. Some claims are self-insured, and that means that they're managed by self-insured employers. These are very large employers who choose to have their own insurance pool to pay out benefits under Washington State L&I claims. The same rules, regulations, and governing body, L&I, still apply to self-insured claims, but there's one key difference. Instead of the state paying for your benefits, a self-insured employer pays for the benefits. In most self-insured claims, employers hire third-party administrators or other insurance companies to manage their claims. So even though your employer may be paying for your benefits, it's actually a private third-party insurance company that's making all the decisions on your claim. This is why it's extremely important to reach out to Emery Reddy to discuss your rights and what you can do with representation to better manage your claim. To file an L&I claim, you don't first go to L&I. You actually first go to your doctor. Your doctor will then fill out the forms and send them to L&I, who will administer your claim. Your doctor's an expert at being a doctor. L&I is an expert at managing L&I claims. Are you an expert at navigating the system? Probably not. That's why Emery Reddy is here to have your back. Give us a call.